Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam, and on today's video we are not going to waste so much time. We are going to do unboxing. And what are we unboxing? All right, I posted it on my Facebook, before Christmas, what I expected to get during Christmas. Okay, I listed 4 items. So I was like, okay, if I get one, I don't mind. But funny enough, I got the 4 items, but one of them is not here yet. So I am going to unbox one of them because I have done one unboxing already. It's on short. I posted it on the channel. If you've not seen that video, it's there. Okay. So, which is this one. I requested for Versa 3. I end up getting Versa 4. And if you have been following me, you will notice that I have done unboxing about this particular watch, but Versa 2. Okay, this is my fitness watch. It's Fitbit. So if you've not seen the video, again, the link is up there. So what are we unboxing today? This is iPhone 15 Pro Max, okay, 256 gig, okay. So I'm going to open it, or we are going to open it together. This, to be quite honest with you, I bought it. I gifted it myself for Christmas. I usually change my phone every 2 years, but the other iPhone Pro Max is iPhone 11 Pro Max. I bought it was about 3-4 years ago. I bought it, to be quite honest with you, the contract has ended, but I never knew that insurance was still there. And I went to work one day, it fell inside water, and that was the end of the phone. So only for me to realize that insurance was still there, I had to contact the insurance company and the phone company. Okay, they gave me another one, brand new one. Took that one because it's not coming up. Okay, what am I trying to say? I got new phone. There's no need of changing to another phone, buy a new phone. So I decided to keep it without going for any new iPhone 13, 14 and thereabout. Okay, so now it's due to change. So I decided to get this one because I made a promise to myself that I've been working since I came to this country. I've not really taken care of myself. It's every other thing taking my time, taking the money and all that. So I decided that no, I have to gift myself something, and I went for this. Okay, so right now we are going to open it. I'm talking too much, right? We are going to open it and see what's inside. It has not been opened. If this is turned out and here, don't accept the phone. So it has not, just a little bit, it did not open, and here it's sealed. Okay, let's go ahead to open it. I got it since Christmas, but I've not opened it. I've not had time to unbox it. I said I'm not going to open it. To use, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's open it and see. Since it's more than 3 weeks or 4 weeks I got it, so this is it. Oh, see, it has not been opened. Please ignore the ring light show. I can't go to the living room. The kids are there. They're making noise. They're watching their movie. I don't want to disturb anybody. And my son is upstairs playing his game, talking. If you listen, you can hear his voice. So let's go ahead and take off the screen. Yeah. And funny enough, this phone, it came with pouch and screen protector. I'm surprised they replace it with the charger. So as you know, most of you that use smartphone, you know that yes, when you get your phone, it doesn't come with charger. You have to buy the charger separate. And one new thing with iPhone now, they use this, is it C4 charger? Kind of, they made it for everybody. As in, they made it is like Samsung charger. So every phone they use the same charging cable. So I didn't get that one, which I'm going to get. I felt that it was the old charger, but I realized that no, they told me that it wasn't that. It's new charger now. Okay. See, it came with this, but it didn't come with the socket. Okay, this is the cable. You can plug it to charge it, but it didn't come with that. I have that in that case. I have the socket in that case because the other iPhone. Obviously, this is the pin to open it. You want to put your SIM card and what you want to put. And that was it. So this is it. I've not charged it, but I understand that when you get your phone, iPhone, of course, there's a little bit of strength in it. The battery, I'm going to turn it on, like as you can see. Let me see, it's 256 gig. Meanwhile, the ones I used previously, I think either 56 or there, but I can't really remember. I'm going to set it up, not here, just want to show you. So as we all know, it's iPhone 15 Pro Max, okay, and it's natural titanium. The color, because it comes with different colors, so I decided to go with the natural one, and it's 256 gig, okay. Obviously, I know that there are some features that is going to have that the previous one doesn't have, which I'm going to look into it, set it up, and transfer my data from my previous phone, to this one, and my SIM as well. So this is it. I love it. If you've used this phone or if you purchased it, please leave your comment at the comment section. Tell me what you feel, how you feel about it. What's the what are the features? Sometimes I don't really use, sometimes I might not really know all the features, some other person might not. So if you are that person, please let me know what you think and what are the features that are very important that, you can advise that I should go. I should check it out. Okay. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I have to put the case now before another thing turns to another person's phone. Okay. So this is the case that it came with, although I don't really like it. I'm going to change the case. So I'm going to put it here. Perfect it. So this is it. This is how it is. And yes, I told you guys that is one of my Christmas gifts, which I got for myself. And this one, I got it for my friend. Okay, I got this one, the Versa 4 Fitbit wristwatch, which keeps tracks of all my activities, sleeping, exercise, walking, running, and what have you. Okay, and one other thing is this one is the new C by Giorgio Armani. Okay, is the new one which is replacing the old one, which I'm going to do a review, but I don't know when, but I'm definitely going to do a review about this particular perfume. All right, so the other one, you guys will see it when it comes. So thank goodness the 4 things I requested for my Christmas, I got them. So I don't know what I'm getting for Val. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you've used this phone, tell me what you all think about it. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know what? RosesGlam loves you all. And don't forget, subscribe if you've not done so. Like this video and leave your comment at the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you and ciao for now. Take care.